Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more groceries to share. What gonna happen with them? Will they go into storage, pantry, immediate use in the kitchen cabinets? We shall see. But most importantly is that I have what I need to bake. And this right here, if you know, are a few baking good products. And I know a lot of you home bakers already probably have this, or you're getting it, or you're gonna be blessed soon to have it, because you know on that Thanksgiving or whatever day you're gonna be baking your family some fresh home baked goods. Now what I'm not having up here is my yeast, because I am going to make some fresh dinner rolls, some kind of fresh bread. Oh yes, my yeast. Imagine you see some yeast. Hold on guys, hold on. Okay guys, Miss Janita back, and look, voila, it's yeast. Fleshman's Active Dry Yeast, original. So yeah, these are some things you need to bake with. Ingredients that it's nice to have in the pantry, so you don't have to go doing all that extra shopping. Yes indeed. Now some things I share I might already have, and a lot of things, or a few things I share, I purchased not too long ago. But most of the things are things that I already have in the pantry. I'm just sharing to let you know what I try to keep in the pantry stocked up. I have a little bit of now that Betty Crocker rich and creamy frosting coconut pecan. Now I could have had a pile of those, but I don't use it like that. I just get what I need, so I don't waste it. I don't want to buy stuff now and waste it. But I love me some coconut pecan, and I do got some. Well, I guess I'll share that in another video. But I love me some coconut pecan frosting. Oh yes, I love it. I have a short video I previously made on my grocery channel, and every time I see that piece of cake my mouth waters, and I can't wait to start baking my scratch made sweet potato pies, because I share with you guys my ricer. Remember my ricer? If you don't, if I can, I'll share. I don't know if I took a picture. If I did, the picture will be here. If not, it won't be there. But I did share my ricer in a previous video with y'all, and I told y'all how beautiful that baby works. I love it. I love me some kitchen tools. I sure do. And I'm going to be baking some cookies, and I got me one of these kitchen tools. Let me show it to y'all. This thing works so well. Oh, I love it. See this little cookie helper? Help you scoop up that cookie dough. Oh my God, this thing works magnificently. Y'all know I'm crazy about my doggone kitchen gadgets. Oh yes, oh yes. And I'm definitely gonna be using that bad boy come making these cookies. And I don't think I ever shared with y'all the dang cookie tins. I have the Thanksgiving tins. It's a large, medium, and small. Those tin cans you keep your cookies in. I don't know if I shared that. Did I? Would it be on the crafting channel? I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. Help me scoop out my cookies. And I'm definitely for my crafting channel. See those pies over there? I'm about to make a new pie to share on my crafting channel. And I still haven't put up my doggone, hold on y'all. Okay, I still haven't shared my haul. I purchased some things. I haven't shared them yet. I am procrastinating away. But that's my pie right there I made. I got several of them sitting over here on this shelf rack thing. And this is what it looks like. I have it over on my crafting channel. These pies, I've made those. They look so creamy and good. Ooh, it looks so delicious. I love making pies. I got muffins. I don't think I did. Well, I crocheted some cookies and stuff. But that stuff you want to see is over on my crafting channel. But I just thought I'd share. But that's the pie. I'm going to be making some sweet potato pie, but I'm going to make them in those mini pie tins, scratch made pies. I can't wait. I can't wait, you guys. I love my new kitchen tool, that ricer, that I'm going to use to, you know, help me with my sweet potato. My mouth is watering as I speak. Yes, indeed. All of it's going down. But I hope all y'all preppers, stockpilers, pantry keep uppers have your ingredients. I see a lot of videos of people making pre-Thanksgiving meals and stuff like that. I'm like, wow, look at that. And I'm seeing a lot of nice price turkeys. Some I see, shoot, I think the cheapest 80, 90 something cents a pound. If I had my doggone frost-free upright freezer, oh yes, back in the day, in my late 30s when I was couponing, I kept me, what, 3 to 4 turkeys. 3 to 4, I got to say around that, 3 to 4 turkeys in my upright frost-free freezer. Now you gonna want something good as a freezer, get a frost-free one. Okay, invest in, my stomach just growling. Invest in a frost-free freezer. And when they had these deals like this, like I missed, I think her name's Shelby. It might be Shelby. Oh, it's not Savannah. It had to be Shelby or Savannah. The Queen's, let me see. The Queen's Cabinet. She haven't, I gotta check and see if she been back. That is one impressive lady, her and her husband. They had like about, I don't know, 15 freezers in it's not a garage, it's a storage building. You hear me? The woman had 15. It might be more than 15. I ain't been over there in a minute. But Shelby with Savannah, I forget, and I shouldn't be forgetting her name because I was watching her channel all the time. But I don't think she's making any more videos. But she was the one that impressed me with her grocery hauls, because they live in New York and they would just stock up and get all kind of stuff. Her pantry was the nicest pantry that my eyes have ever taken gander at. And I've seen people's pantries, but Shelby pantry was a very functional. I guess it's because she had so many different ingredients. She enjoyed cooking, but I don't know why she ain't been back. But I used to enjoy, a lot of people used to enjoy her grocery hauls, stock up pantry hauls. Missed that woman's stock up pantry hauls because she was amazing. She go to all these different stores and get all the ingredients to make all these dang restaurant style meals for her family. I'm telling you, she is amazing. I'm sure it's still going on. Sometimes she just go away for a while. She might come back, who knows. But anyway, that's what got me into knowing all the different ingredients by watching her videos that you could get and all the stuff. Shoot, it's amazing. I mean, I appreciate that lady's channel that helped me grow as a person, get knowledge about all these different things you could get to make certain meals. Oh my God, stretch a budget. The way a lot of things she bought to store her food in the freezer, I purchased a few of those items. I have them in my freezer right now, freezing these cute things. Oh my God. Shelby helped she helped upgrade me, took me to the next level of how you would store something, because right now on my refrigerator door I made a mistake of putting a bag on the door that expanded, and now I got to get that off. Instead of me using my kitchen equipment tool I could have stored my food in, now I have to struggle to get this frozen mess off my freezer door that spread it as it froze. Can you believe the mistake I made? I can't even believe I did such a thing, knowing I had the proper equipment to freeze something so I wouldn't go through what I'm going through right now. But I appreciate that lady Shelby, the Queen's Cabinet, the baddest pantry restocker. Ooh, just wonderful. And I've seen a lot of people's pantries, but Shelby get down with the I have never witnessed anybody. Oh, I'll take that back. The second most impressive person I ever seen on the YouTube is Josie. Road good cooking. Amazing. Josie got out so many cooking tools. I am impressed by her. She know how to cook anything under the sun. Go on over there and check her out. Her name Josie. She is perfection. Shelby ain't here. Go enjoy Josie. Josie know what she doing. Shoot. But I'm just letting you know. I don't know if Josie ever shared her pantry business, but Josie sure know how to cook some things from scratch. I mean, what you want? She got Josie's a chef. I think you could say retired chef. I don't want to put it out there. Maybe she doing an itsy bitsy here or there, but you go to her channel, she cooking and baking some food. But anyway, I didn't keep y'all too long. Let me continue on with part 1 billion, okay? Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake.